Servus all together, it's me, Yolaine, Zelda Connection, and today with the Indie World 2022 from Nintendo. Let us see what it will be. Servus, grüß euch miteinander, ich bin's wieder, Herr Long hier, Zelda Connection, heute mit Indie World 2022 von Nintendo. Schauen wir mal, was das sein wird.
Peggy 16.
Also, for my English ones, I watch it in German. I would understand in English very well, so I would understand it very well in English too. But yeah, pretty sure you watch it anyway. And in doubt, I can always make another video about it.
I'm Ariko.
And I'm Amber. We're back today to showcase a slew of indie games coming to Nintendo Switch.
Our indie partners span the globe, from Sweden to Australia and Japan. And we can't wait to see what they've been cooking up. So let's get started.
Anyway, pretty sure there will nothing about Breath of the Wild 2. Also, da wäre da nichts über Breath of the Wild 2 vorgekommen. Yeah, well, this looks a little bit like not Candy World. This is a farming game, or what is the other one?
I absolutely do.
Nintendo.
This charming creature
Looks a little bit
and
like that.
farm
Also
simulation game
irgendwie
from
wie
Glorland
Farming
has
Games
everything to give you
oder
the
wie heißt das
warm
eine
fuzzies.
Spielkurs, wo sehr beliebt war
Grow
von
and train
Nintendo.
adorable little creatures called ooblets.
Yeah,
as
I
you
think it's
cultivate
kind of
new
that.
life in the blossoming community of Badgetown.
Customize your character. Befriend the locals. Decorate your house. Run your own
So
shop.
to be honest, it's not a
And most
game
importantly,
for what I would like to
epic
play, but I
dance
can imagine
battles.
some will like
You
it.
can even
Also um ehrlich
dress
zu
up
sein,
your
das ist
ooblet
jetzt
pals
Vorspiel,
and
das wie
travel
jetzt
to
Green
different
Dart, aber
locations.
ich kann mir vorstellen, dass
Visit the
einige
arcade-packed
so ein
boardwalk in
Spiel
Port
mögen.
Forward. Saunter through the spooky swamps of Nowhere. And ascend the frozen peaks of Tippy Top.
Ooblets.
The
waddles
graphic
its
is
way
kind of
onto
okay,
Nintendo Switch
kind of
this
cartoonish,
summer.
but it's still okay. Die Grafik ist halbwegs in Ordnung, ein bisschen
Colorful and
cartoonisch, aber ja,
mesmerizing
ist okay.
planets await in this fast-paced action RPG across the cosmos. In this deeply story-driven game by Stormmind Games, you'll use both strength and wits to interact with others and conquer the challenges
Naja,
ahead.
so adventure game, like,
Balancing the
yeah,
duality of your physical
a mix between
and
board
mental
games and video
powers is
game,
key.
and yeah,
Sacrifice one
well,
for the other against
there can be
opponents and
kind
things
of
might not turn out well for you.
not interesting. That too, of
Ultimately,
course.
your conscience
Oh,
will
that can be
carry
really
the
nice.
weight
Also
of your
so
decisions.
Mischung zwischen
What kind of hero
Abenteuerspiele,
will
also
you
so
become?
die Board Games
Choose your
und halt
destiny
natürlich
in
Videogames
Batora, Lost
können
Haven,
ganz nett sein
launching on
und sehr
Nintendo
interessant.
Switch this autumn.
こんにちは、生高橋です。エルケッドがもうすぐ Nintendo Switch で遊べるようになります。エルケッドは私が学生時代の頃、流れるというテーマのコンテスト向けに好きなゲームからインスピレーションを受けて開発したプロトタイプ作品になります。私が学生を卒業した後に、それをブラッシュアップしたのが本作になります。シンプルな操作と直感的なルールからは想像もできないようなひらめく体験をご用意しておりますので、ぜひ Nintendo Switch で楽しんでみてください。
Ja, good old jump and run game. Auf Deutsch das gleiche, good old jump and run game. Yeah, to be honest,
Hey,
this is not
if you're
necessarily a
looking
game
for
for
a
me.
clever
Dit is
and
zo
challenging 2D
back
puzzle
80s.
platformer, then
Dit
we've
is
got
niet unbedingt
just
de
the
stoel
game
voor
for
mij, om
you
eerlijk
from
te zijn. Dit is zo
Takahashi,
80er
a
Jahre mäßig.
one-person
Would be
development
nice
team.
on a maybe
Here,
fun
you're
on
a
a
small
smartphone
robot
or
named Alec, who's on a mission to
cell phone.
restore light to the
But
world
yeah,
while
also auf dem
navigating
Smartphone
a
oder auf dem
booby-trapped
Handy
facility.
mag das ja ganz
By
nett sein,
using your
aber
electrifying powers
nicht auf
to
der
touch
Switch, but not
walls,
on the
floors,
Switch.
platforms, and switches, electricity will charge through them and bring them to life.
Hey, don't get ahead of yourself. Well, I mean, actually, you should. Detach and throw your head to trigger objects. You'll need to retrieve it within 10 seconds, or else. There are plenty of hidden rooms and secrets to discover, so use your head, literally, to explore every nook and cranny of the facility.
Alec Head bolts onto Nintendo Switch this summer.
Yeah, another copy-paste game, kinda. Ein weiteres Copy-Paste-Game, ja, in die Richtung. That's the bad thing of some indie games. Yeah, they copy some ideas from other games oder old games and put all together. Das ist halt der Nachteil bei einigen Indie-Games. Die kopieren oft Sachen zusammen von verschiedenen Spielen und naja. Ich meine, das Spiel kann ganz nett sein. I mean, the game can be very nice, clearly, but still, I can expect a little bit more from an indie game. Das Spiel kann, wie gesagt, ganz nett sein, aber ich kann schon ein bisschen mehr von einem Indie-Game erwarten. And not the cheap produced thing, und nicht das billig produzierte
You're
Quatsch.
transported to the world of Symphonia to battle the forces of Discord. Move to the music solo, or with up to 4 players locally or online, as you restore harmony to Symphonia's corrupted lands. Levels and encounters are dynamically generated from the music, and there are over 140 songs to choose from. So pick the tune you want to hear before jumping into the fray.
Time your actions to the music, and your power will increase. There are 5 different musical heroes to choose from, over 500 pieces of equipment for skill customization, and thousands of loot combinations, giving you opportunities for multiple playthroughs.
Get your head boppin' to Soundfall, launching on Nintendo Switch shortly after this presentation. Why is it freezing in here?
You better be ready to weather the snowstorm and
Oh well, another card game.
take on the harsh
Ja,
elements in this
anderes
tactical
Kartenspiel.
roguelike deck builder from Deadpan Games.
I mean,
Build
sorry,
and
it is not
customize your
that
deck as
difficult
you set
doing it
off to
without
put an
cards,
end to the
make it a little
eternal
bit more
frost.
interesting.
Card companions and items
That
are at your
is,
disposal.
well,
Use them to battle wave after
without the
wave of
graphic
monsters,
stuff like that, I
the
could
deceptively
program
cute
still as
penguins,
was in the Hauptschule,
brash and
the lowest
brutal
school you
bosses.
have in Germany.
Plan your next
After
move using the dynamic
sixth,
counter system
5th grade.
and fell those
Sorry.
frosty fiends.
Also das ist das,
After each
ja,
run,
also
try
ehrlich gesagt,
daily challenges
das habe ich damals
or
schon auf der Hauptschule
expand the
irgendwie
hub town of
programmieren können, bis
Snowdwell
außer
to
die
unlock
Grafik.
new events and cards. Helpful for your fight against the perpetual winter.
Wild
Sorry.
Frost makes its
Nah.
snowy debut
So-
on Nintendo Switch. You guessed it, this winter.
You can still make that on Basic, also Basic Program Language. Also das kann man immer nur auf der Basic Programmiersprache machen.
based in Stockholm, Sweden. And we are excited to announce that
Sorry.
our game, Totally Accurate Battle Simulator, or TAPS for short, will be coming to Nintendo Switch.
We first started working on TAPS in 2016. The idea was to make a game that is inspired by the feeling you get when playing with your action figures as a kid. We then added the strategy and fighting elements and turned the game into the wobbly experience that it is today.
Our wonderful community has been with us along the way and helped us shape the game with their suggestions and feedback. So together with them, we're proud to bring TAPS to this awesome platform.
What was the name? Dungeon Dragon of Computer, can it be? It reminds me a bit of that in the very beginning. Not the best graphic, But till yet, yeah, let us see how it runs out. Also erinnert mich ein bisschen an Dungeon Dragon auf Computer. Also the old one in the Windows 95, 98. Also Windows 95, 98 irgendwie so. Grafik kann besser sein, aber schauen wir mal, was das wird. Kann ganz lustig werden.
Do the wobble wobble.
Wait, what?
You heard that right. In this fighting game from Landfall Games, you'll
Okay, and what's wrong with
over 100 wobblers
Dungeon
and
and Dragons? Also da
hailing
war
from
falsch.
ancient lands, spooky
Schaut
worlds,
lustig aus
and
zumindest erstmal.
fantasy
Also
realms.
looks funny.
Those wobbly physics
At the
are,
first, sorry, at the first
very,
glance.
wobbly.
Oh, they're awesome! And those aren't your garden variety battles either. Watch your wobblers flail and fail in silly simulated battles. Or make new ones in the unit creator and customize their size.
Would be interesting
weight,
how the fighting
and
skills
speed,
or the
among other stats.
fighting performance, the mechanics will run. If it's only
Can't
press
get
A
enough
and B
of the
and
wobble?
whatever.
Send them to fight your friends in online
Wäre interessant, wie die
multiplayer
Spielmechanik ist,
Say it with
nur
me.
A und B Drucker
It's
oder
wobbling
ob man da mehrere machen
You
kann. Or
never
if you can
cease
do
to
more,
amaze
just
me.
on pushing A and B.
Totally accurate battle simulator. Wobbles. It's way onto Nintendo Switch this summer.
Another basic related game, somehow ported, reworked a bit. Sorry, that's not creative. So ein weiteres Basic so basierendes Spiel, das da irgendwo geportet und kopiert worden ist und vielleicht ein bisschen aufgemutzt, aber sorry. Bisschen mehr Kreativität kann man da schon erwarten. I'm really sorry, a little bit more creativity should be there. Und jetzt hat Game for the show all till yet maximum 15-20 bucks, 15-20 Euro maximal für die Spiele, also mehr sind es nicht wert.
In this noir punk action adventure from Doinksoft. Armed with the titular Gumbrella, you'll maneuver through various
I mean, clearly it's
locations,
independent
from a
games, also
cultish
indie
town to
games,
a junkyard
and they have not a
forest.
big
Use the
budget.
Gumbrella to
That is
glide,
completely clearly,
swing,
but
dash,
this reminds me on
and
the
take out enemies
Schneider
in
464.
gritty
This is
side-scrolling
something
combat.
that was back then like the
Along
Commodore
way,
64.
you'll scavenge for scraps and spare parts to
It
upgrade
reminds
the
me
umbrella.
completely. On a handy,
And employ
sorry,
your
on a
sleuthing
cell phone
skills
or
to
a
assist
smartphone,
cast
okay.
of
Auf dem Handy,
increasingly
auf dem
bizarre
Smartphone,
characters
ja, okay,
in a
aber
world
ansonsten, sorry.
rapidly losing its natural resources. And that's just the beginning of your investigation. Plenty of dark twists and turns lie
Yeah,
ahead.
well,
Gumbrella
more or less I expected
launches on
that
Nintendo Switch next
quality
year.
of Indie Games anyway. Ja, mehr oder weniger habe ich die Qualität von diesen Indie Games ja sowieso erwartet.
We Are OFK.
And I'm Luca LaFay, lead singer of the band OFK.
We're super excited to announce that our music biopic game is coming to Nintendo Switch.
Yes! Ooh, I can play it on a tour bus. Ugh, I can't wait to tour together.
We haven't seen each other since that music video brainstorm at your place in LA in 2019?
Yeah, wow. And with the game on handheld, it'll be easy to play the new episodes that are coming out every single week, back to back to back.
Can't wait to share OFK's story and music with y'all.
Hey Jared, can I get your opinion on tour outfits?
Okay, let us see that. Also there, the graphic is not bad. If it would be so in a cartoon-like thing, the whole game or the cutscenes, okay, I can live with that. Also wenn das ganze Spiel mit dieser Grafik oder zumindest die ganzen Cutscenes so wären, gut, kann ich damit leben. Aber naja, schauen wir mal, wie es dann in-game ausschaut, also beim Spielen selber. Let's see as it looks then in-game, also by playing itself. And yeah, the graphic reminds me a little bit on the late 90s, but that is nothing bad. Ja, und die Grafik erinnert mich ein bisschen an die späten 90er. Aber ist ja nichts Schlimmes. Also, I mean, the look to it, the clothes and the style of it, of the person's clothes, the background and all the stuff. Also der Gesamteindruck ein bisschen so von der Klamotten, vom Hintergrund, die Schriften. Aber ist ja nichts Schlechtes.
Through episodes released weekly and interactive music videos with a fully voiced cast, you'll witness the lives of Itsumi and her friends unfold.
You're allowed to take a break and not.
Okay, so I understand this is a band game. Also so wie ich es verstanden habe, ist ein
Fighting over song
Band-Spiel.
lyrics at band
Aber,
practice,
well,
to
not
sending
bad.
silly
Ist eine
memes
gute
via
Idee.
text.
Ja,
It's
nicht
a
schlecht, ist eine
heartfelt
gute Idee.
making of the band journey that's sure to pull at your heartstrings.
We are OFK. Drums onto Nintendo Switch this summer.
Hi, I'm Dom.
And I'm Tom.
And we're Spiral Circus.
We are an indie games developer based in Bristol, UK, and our passion for the stranger and surreal side of art is what brought us together.
We've both come from really different backgrounds. I was a research scientist and Tom was a fine artist.
Because of the pandemic, we've been an entirely remote team, and almost all of Silt has been hand-drawn at night by me, which seems entirely appropriate for the subject matter.
Our audio designer even set up a fish tank in his studio to record the underwater sounds that you'll be hearing throughout the game.
We're really excited for you to experience our hand-drawn work brought to life, and we hope you enjoy exploring the strange oceanic world of Silt on Nintendo Switch.
Take a deep breath and
Yeah,
dive
looks
into the
not
harrowing ocean abyss.
a little bit creepy looking, so monster-like. Tom Burton Style, I guess. So ein bisschen gruselig ausschauen, monstermäßig, Tom Burton stilmäßig ein bisschen. Juliet, it doesn't look bad. Let us see what we can do. Bis jetzt schaut es nicht schlecht, also schauen wir, was wir da so machen wollen. Was there not a game like that for a few years ago? War da nicht so ein Spiel, so ein ähnliches Spiel schon vor ein paar Jahren? Or is it the... Or maybe it was a game like, also also Silt, but it's the next one of that, oder vielleicht war das schon mal Silt-Spiel und das ist ja die nächste Version. Also the next version, I mean, sorry.
But guess what? In many motorways from developer Dinosaur Polo Club, the key to solving the city's congestion problems is you. Draw and build roads to create a bustling
Yep.
traffic flowing on maps.
In both language, in beiden Sprachen.
As demands interchange, you'll continuously redesign and expand.
They even don't try. Die versuchen es ja nicht einmal.
Ramp up the difficulty by taking part in daily and weekly challenges. More maps will unlock as you become a master road designer. How long can you
I can imagine it's a game where you can spend a lot of money on it. Ich kann mir vorstellen, dass das Spiel ist, dass da viel Geld drauf drin kostet.
Whoa, a flying hospital. That's new. I've never seen that before.
Then hop aboard this heartfelt narrative adventure from Ghost Pattern, set in 1970s rural Australia. As intrepid teen journalist Casey, you'll come to know a diverse cast of eclectic voiced characters through the stories they tell and the moments you share. Each story unfolds in real time, at the same time, so you get to choose which ones you want
Okay,
to
3D, I give them that much. Ja, das ist 3D, so viel gebe ich dir nicht.
Or enter the room and be part of the conversation.
Darcy, right? Mrs. B's kid?
May interesting game. Eventuell ein interessantes Spiel. But the graphics I don't like, but it's my personal taste. Aber eventuell, wie gesagt, ein interessantes Spiel, aber die Grafik ist jetzt nicht so mein Spiel. Aber das ist mein persönliches Geschmack. Also.
Multiple playthroughs will also give you the opportunity to witness other events, allowing you to delve deeper into the stories and weave together mysteries aboard the airship. Wayward Strand lands
All in all, I think,
July 21st.
if it's not too expensive, it's worth a try. Also allem in allem, wenn es nicht zu teuer ist, ist der Versuch wert.
Waits in this action-adventure game from Massive Monster. as a possessed lamb saved by a foreboding stranger from a ritual sacrifice. You need to repay your debt by creating a loyal community of woodland worshippers.
Gather resources to build structures.
Well, farming needs Age of Empire, needs some card-related adventure games.
Millipedes to challenge the dungeon's overlord Shimura. There ain't anything sheepish about it.
But I give effort to it. I give them. Also, I give that them. Also, die haben sich da schon was, die haben da Effort, die haben sich Mühe gegeben auf Deutsch. Das gebe ich einer. Okay, Sebastian. Come on. Nobody can deny this. Should be not Sebastian from, yeah, you know the movie. From that company. Also, wenn das nicht Sebastian sei, so ihr kennt den Film von dieser Firma. Ja, also die ich meine. Ja, for younger ones, maybe pretty sure interesting. Also für Jüngere bestimmt sehr interessant. So I said I will switch left and right, looking at two screens with the same screen, and here's the camera and here not. But here's the bigger screen, so I watch mostly at that direction.
Previously, Aggro Crab released Going Under, and it didn't make us rich.
And my wife just meant she's kind of Sebastian. Eating like that, like a crab. Meine Frau hat gerade gemeint, sie ist wie der Sebastian. Ist wie eine Krabbe. Komm.
And you can hit the weak point for massive damage.
Souls-likes are known for their difficulty, and we want to create a game that maintains that challenge while being approachable for new fans of the genre.
Ooh, what if you died in one hit when you're not wearing a shell?
I just said it's supposed to be approachable.
Oh, what if every time you dodge roll, there's like a 1% chance that you just trip and fall over?
Well, looks like our segment's over, everyone.
It's time for Crab.
All right, Rico, put your pincers up.
Oh, here we go with the crab puns.
Crab.
I don't know if it's maybe the best graphic you could. I've seen a lot of games with a familiar kind of graphic. Is this maybe Switch related? I doubt it almost, but it looks really nice, the game till yet. Ja, my wife means looks cute. Also meine Frau meint, das schaut schön, nett, süß aus. Ich weiß nicht, ob es an der Switch liegt, also an der Plattform. Ich habe jetzt da schon viele mit der ähnlichen Grafik gesehen. Das kann natürlich sein. Kann ich jetzt so leider nicht beantworten. Also I cannot answer the question if that Switch related the graphic thing or whatever. Is it easier to make only possible to? Oder ist es einfach nur einfacher zu machen? Wäre eine Möglichkeit. It's also so, sorry to say, C64, Schneider 464, I think even as indie game you can make better stuff. Also selbst als Indie produzierender Spieleproduzent kann man bessere Sachen machen. May I really have to relearn nowadays programming. Vielleicht sollte man echt mal wieder die neuen Programmsprachen lernen. That's C64. Sorry. Halfway okay graphic. It's also again so I cannot explain the graphic. It looks so.
That's all for today's Indie World. We hope you enjoyed
acrylic or whatever.
big thank you to our indie community and indie partners working on games for Nintendo Switch. And as always, thank you for watching.
Until next time, happy gaming!
Okay, how I almost thought, it's more or less a disappointment. There was a few games, you can count them on less than one hand, where they could be interesting. If you have kids, smaller ones, maybe will be worth to buy it. Also, wie man schon gedacht, ein bisschen Enttäuschung, man vielleicht, die kannst du an der Hand abziehen, also weniger an der Hand, also brauchst dir mal ganze Hand. Ja, da waren dann wirklich nur ein paar dabei, wo ich gesagt habe, dann, ja, könnten interessant sein, vor allem wenn ich kleinere Kinder hätte. Yeah, what else? I should have known better that they don't show independent games with a way better graphic, way better gaming performance idea behind it, because that would be concurrence to Nintendo. They want to sell their own games. Ja, ich hätte es mir eigentlich denken können, und ich bin mir ganz sicher, Nintendo würde auch gar keine besseren Spiele mit einer besseren Grafik und einer besseren Spielidee haben, weil das war ja Konkurrenz zu einer selber und die wollen ja selber eine Zeit verkaufen. So long, folks. Servus so lang. Servus miteinander. Howdy, folks. Servus, folks. Fuck, I forgot my sentence over a long time not doing anything. Servus, folks. That was it for today. It's me, your Lang, Zelda Connection. Servus, Leidl. Das war's jetzt für heute. Euer Lange, Zelda Connection. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Habe die Ehre.